Here is something new. Welcome to another daily Reiki healing. We're going to be healing you with purity and sun and life. We're going to be using the Himalaya salt crystal. These crystals are hot. Now, they have been in this light all this time to help you feel at ease in life, to have that peace and that quality of life you deserve. Purifying the air, helping you sleep. Whichever way you want to use these, take this time. You can use this time for sleep. You can use this time for taking a nap or just having a little quiet time, stress-free time. And let me take off these rattlers so we can have a quiet time together. A peaceful time, a healing time with the Himalaya salt crystals. Feel the energy coming from there. The energy is flowing from, put your hands in a palm position. Feel this energy over your body. Purity from the Himalaya salt crystals. Feel this glow of the Himalaya salt. Feel it. The glow is there to help you feel. This is a night healing. Feel the healing. Your body is getting tingles and the energy from the crystals. Nice and warm to the touch. Feeling the crystals. Energy is healing. Healing me. Rejuvenating me. Feeling the energy. I put it on so you can feel it too. Feel the energy right now. Feel the flow of energy right now. It's flowing from me to you. You feel this energy right now. You feel this healing energy of the crystal, the Himalaya salt crystals, the strength and the healing on your crown, on your third eye, to open the third eye, to reset the third eye, to reset the crown, to reset the third eye, to reset the crown, to reset the crown, open the third eye, and reset. So these reset the crown's energy and your throat. Reset the throat. You place it on your face and help you rejuvenate your face too. Skin rejuvenation. You see. On your ears, so you can hear. You can feel it around your earlobe. It's so soothing. The feeling. It feels so good. It's nice and warm crystals on you, on your hands. You can also think of this as a body's healing as well. There's a multitude of things. Whatever you need, this is what this is doing. Okay, but I'm just going to lay it out what it is. First time we're doing this, we're using the Himalaya salt crystals. Ooh, it feels so good. Ooh. It feels so good on the body and in the hands. It helps with healing, manifesting the healing from these crystals to help you feel at ease, helps you feel rejuvenate. The whole area is nice and yellow, a yellow glow from the crystals, the Himalaya salt crystal. I don't want to use no other light. I'm just using the light from the crystals, and you feel it. With the dream catcher in the back, this energy is strong. You feel it with my energy. Feel the energy. We take out anything that is not good out of this area, purifying the air and purifying our souls, purifying our inner self, purifying our outer self, purifying everything, making us feel whole, making us feel good, place it on the skin, and it glows. Is energy glowing through. Third eye and ground. It feels so good on the skin. It helps rejuvenate you. You feel it. It's very comforting. It's very there. Crystal helps you, heals you, purifies the air, helps you purify. It also protects you well, you know. This is for sleeping, but it's also for purification. It's helping you feel good. It's helping you feel great. And you feel that energy from the crystal right here. The crystal salt, the Himalaya salt crystal. Feel that energy. Feel it with my hand against your face. Feel that energy. Feel that energy. Feel that energy. Put your palms up like so. Your palm to my palm. Your palm to my palm. Your palm to my palm. Put it in the upright position. Facing palms. Feel that energy. Facing palms. Feel that energy healing. You feel this energy healing. It's flowing through you right now. You feel this energy going through right now. I want to take this time. If you haven't done so, hit that subscribe. Support my efforts. And because you're getting a free session and you're getting it for with Himalaya salt crystal. Thank you very much for doing that. Let's continue on. Heal and feel that healing. Feel it healing. Feel it healing. Feel it. You feel this energy flowing. You feel this energy growing. You feel what we have is very powerful here. I transmute the energy from the crystals to you. You feel this. You feel these crystals. You feel the energy from these crystals. The heat alone generated all these hours. You feel it. You feel this energy from these crystals. They heal you. They purify the air and they also heal. The heat generating from this. Ooh, it so feels so good. So relaxing. Strength and heal manifests. Now is the time. Focus on your intent. Whatever you need to be healed. You're using the power of these crystals and the heat from these crystals because they energize with purify. These are crystals that take the heat or the light and transmit them outward. Helps you, protects you. You feel this energy. This whole thing is Himalaya salt. Even the bowl is Himalaya. It's nothing else. It's just, that's it. You feel it. Illuminating. You feel it. It's strong. You feel it. It's helping. It's healing. You feel it. Feel the power of this crystal bowl. The Himalaya salt crystals. Feel the energy they give. Purity. purifying the air, helping you feel relaxed and calm. Calm down, relax, stress, calming, feel anxiety. All these areas, you're feeling it. You can close your eyes. As you close your eyes, focus. You want to feel relaxed. Go to a quiet place that you choose from and feel the healing from these crystals. Close your eyes and you want to float and be free. Leave your body and float. How do you leave your body? Close your eyes and let your body go. Let everything just go. And you take yourself out and you float around. You feel the energy. Feel this energy. And place that to where it is. Feel the energy. Feel the energy. Feel it. Feel the energy. You feel it now. Don't worry about the color red. Because that's me. It's the glow of energy. Glow of energy. Glow of energy. Thank you for watching this session. Again, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Support my efforts here for helping healing you. It's free. And thank you very much for doing so. Subscribers, thank you for your daily support of my efforts. And members, thank you for your monthly and daily support as you donate to the channel on a regular basis. I do appreciate it. We do have super thanks, everyone else. Okay? Thank you. All that you send helps the channel to get more things in the soldiers and everything else that was needed. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye for now. Wait. 360 degrees spiritual protection. Now.